Over time, you're going to run across a bunch of music CDs and wonder if they're worth sourcing. And the answer is most are not. Most of these, I think, are brand new that are coming up 12, 9, even $5. A lot of CDs just are not worth much money. And the reason is because, just like popular books, some of these, Garth Brooks, I mean, millions of these things were released. So they're not going to be in demand on the used market. And even if you find them new, brand new, I mean, that's the only way to sell these popular CDs. Now, this is a 10 disc set selling just for $20. So that's a significant drop over the original price of these. So it would be tough to make money off CDs. Now, I'm going to do a webinar someday for you on how to make money off music CDs. You can actually make quite a bit of money, but in the meantime, there are some CDs that you find, as well as DVDs and LP records and possibly other items, but these are, especially CDs, are what you often see this on. You're going to see stickers whenever you run across used ones that say things like promo. This one says sample product, not for sale. It's very common to see music CDs say promo, not for sale. So it's really a shame that you can't sell them, right? Now let's look. I think this is, it's Michael Jackson. Oh boy. So this was a promo that was done. This was not a normal release. I think this is just it's just a single that was released as a promo. And that means it was given away by record companies and not for sale. They had to be given away. Now you're going to find that things like this. Now this is inside an eBay listing, and I went ahead and just showed the pictures first. Let me show you the overall listing and look at the selling price of this. Now this is Australia, 10,000 Australian dollars, and that's about $7,000. Now that wouldn't be a bad CD to find at a garage sale someday. But the problem is it's promo, not for sale. And this person even says in the title, promo CD, not for sale. I would uppercase that D, by the way. I don't like that, but promo, not for sale sticker. Wow. So he's just admitting. I mean, why hasn't eBay kicked this guy off? He's just completely admitting that he's selling an item that is labeled do not sell. And he's actually charging $14.95. Well, I guess probably that's international shipping to the States for $14.92. Well, this not for sale does not apply to us. It does not apply to resellers. Smart resellers know this, but not a lot of them do. But there are people that sell a lot of CDs. They certainly know this. eBay knows this. eBay knows good and well that this says not for sale and that there are tons of people selling CD albums, CDs, music CDs, used music CDs for a lot of money that said promo. And the reason promos almost always command higher prices. Now, a lot of times, this is probably a one-of-a-kind special, but a lot of times you'll just find a regular album and then a promo version of it. And the regular album might sell on the eBay market used for $3, and the promo might sell for $45. So the promo goes for a lot more money because it's more rare. That sticker, promo, don't remove that sticker. That's really critical. Now on this one, I think everyone who would be familiar with this thing would know that was a one-off promo deal. But anytime you see this sticker, keep it on. It does not apply to you, and collectors want promos. They want these special, very limited run types of music CDs. So what happens is a music store might get 100, we'll just say Eagles, I don't even know if the Eagles still sing, but I'll just say Eagles CDs, brand new CDs. They'll get 100 of them in to sell, and one of them will be a promo sent with them. Now, that promo is for them to play or to promote the record. And if the record store sells 90 of those Eagles CDs, they can send 10 back for credit. Because basically record stores, new ones, work on consignment type of selling. Now I know not many people sell new CDs anymore, but they still sell. So the record store is not allowed to sell a promo CD. They can only use it for promotion. And if the record store sends back unsold CDs from a certain title, they cannot send the promo CD back and expect a credit. That's also a no-no. So that promo is simply for promo for the record store. The record store cannot sell it, and the record store cannot ship it back along with the other unsold CDs in that line to get a credit. This does not apply to us in any way. As a matter of fact, we really want to sell promos, promotional, whatever you can find. Sample product do not sell on CDs, books, records, DVDs, VHS tapes. The promo version is almost always more valuable for resale, and it's completely legal and legit, and eBay will have no problem with you selling promo versions. So be sure and look for those, and don't throw them back in the bins or throw them back in the garage sale and go, rats, I'm not allowed to sell that, because you may have just thrown away $7,102.50 US if you do something like that.